Hey, I'm Carrie, and I'm at the gazillionth doctor's appointment this week. It's life as a full-time patient. You should see the copays. This time it's just a follow-up on my rotator cuff surgery. 2.5 months post-op, this is the shoulder, and whop! Yeah, I have almost full range motion.
So the rotator cuff appointment went amazing. I have been doing physical therapy on the tube of you, just following this physical therapy program week by week for a rotator cuff, and it's way better than my $40 copay that I would need every single time. And the nurse practitioner who was examining me was incredibly impressed with the progress I've made by using YouTube physical therapy. She was actually stunned because I'm well ahead of the curve when it comes to range of motion and strength. I'm also happy that I only have one more doctor's appointment this week. Next week, I think I only have 3. So I'll have a little bit of a break.